How to fix Instagram DM glitch problem. So if you're facing Instagram DM glitch, then all you have to do is, first of all, you don't have this option in your Instagram, so open up your phone settings, and after that you will have apps and notifications. Tap on apps and notifications, and then go and search for Instagram. Now you will have a bunch of options. You can tap on storage and cache, and here you will have two options, clear storage and clear cache. You can tap on clear cache, and now you have cleared all your cache, so this will fix your issue. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then all you have to do is open up your Play Store, and on the search bar search for Instagram, and then here make sure that you don't have an update. But if you have an update, then you can simply tap on update and you can update your Instagram, and after updating you will be ready to use your Instagram without glitching. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then the last option is open up your Instagram, and then on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and then here on the upper right corner you will have three barred icon. You can either tap on that and go to settings and privacy, and you can tap on help. But if you don't want to do this, you can simply shake your phone, and then you will find a report a problem option, and after that you can tap on report a problem, and from here you can include and continue, and here you can briefly explain about what is your problem. So you can write DM messages not showing, and after that you can also upload a screenshot of the problem, and after that on the upper right corner you will have a send option, and you can tap on send, and Instagram will take action within few days. So that's it guys, that's how you fix your Instagram DM glitch, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.